Welcome to Saleplas' booth at EIMA Digital Preview. My name is Amelia Gomez and I am the sales manager of Saleplas. If you are not familiar with the company, I would like you to stay with us so that you can get to know us a little better. Saleplas is a Spanish manufacturing company based in Toledo, in the center of Spain, just 1 hour away from the capital, Madrid. The company was established in 1990, so we have 30 years of experience in water management, both for agriculture and the industrial sector. Saleplas is specialized in the production of irrigation systems as well as filtration and water treatment systems that will help you to make the best out of your crops in a sustainable and efficient way, always with high quality, good prices, and with a very long life of the system. First of all, I would like to present our irrigation systems. Localized irrigation, and more particularly drip irrigation, has become the most efficient irrigation system in terms of economy and use of water. One of the biggest problems we are facing at this moment is water scarcity. That is why it is very important to optimize the available resources and to choose the right emitter, the right dripper. Saleplas manufactures driplines with cylindrical, turbulent, and pressure compensating drippers. We cover a great variety of flow rates so that the product can be used in almost all the crops. These driplines have been in the market for more than 20 years with excellent results, offering a high resistance to clogging, high flow uniformity, and a very long life of the system. We are able to produce also irregular spacing between drippers, highly recommended when we are dealing with tree plantations, for example, where 2, 3 or even 4 drippers per plant are required.